Fable 5 is back, unlike my dad when he said he was going out to grab a milk. But this time hopefully it's back for good. Today we will put it to the test and we will be recreating Roblox Grow a Garden 2. Let's get started. First, we need a prompt. For this I'm using Gemini. I'm including some screenshots from the original Roblox game and telling it to describe all the game mechanics and visuals. When the prompt is ready, I'm pasting it into Claude. I thought that maybe a good idea is also to send him a screenshot of the whole central hub from Grow a Garden. So I went into Roblox, took a screenshot and pasted it into Claude. I pasted also screenshot of the whole map from the distance. After that I described the included pictures and sent the prompt. Okay, 30 minutes later we have our game ready. Let's see what we've got here. Going into localhost. Bro, wow, this honestly looks very similar to Roblox version. But you know what? In original Roblox game there are some random spawns for pets. So I'm going into Roblox, taking a screenshot of the rabbit and then into AnimateMesh. Oh, you don't know what's AnimateMesh? AnimateMesh is a tool that I developed that helps me animate and rig my models. So let's prepare our rabbit image first. We need to get rid of the background, otherwise it can mess up our 3D model generation. When the image is ready, I take a screenshot of a real rabbit and then AI combines those two pictures together. This rabbit looks much better and it will be super easy to animate. Sending it over to 3D model generation, I used Tripod to generate this model, but I wasn't happy with the textures, so I made it with Meshy instead. I'm sending the model to AnimateMesh Studio, picking the skeleton, scaling it up, moving the bones a little so it matches the ears. Then I adjusted the weights a little with a slider, and to make it look even better, I manually painted some weights. And that's the final result. I'm exporting idle and walk animations. Now I'm pasting the model into the project. Then I tell Claude to implement it into the game. In the game, we finally have some life going on. Look at those bunnies hopping around. Oh, that looks really good. Yeah. Anyway, time to test all the other features of our Grow a Garden clone. I will plant some seeds. So Central Hub looks exactly like in Roblox. I see we have here a bunch of different shops. We have seeds, gears, guilds, props, sell, sprays. Let's check the props. Okay, here we can buy bear trap, fence crate, sprays. Okay, here we can sell the crops, guilds I guess doesn't work. Seeds, here we can buy the seeds. We have also the restock system every 5 minutes. So that's really cool. Okay, let's see how it works. I will buy a couple maybe of blueberries. I cannot buy blueberries, so maybe I will buy strawberries. I got a little lost, but now I see here is my farm. Okay, and I guess some of those crops are already grown. No fruits ready yet. Okay, let's try to expand the garden now. I need 500 shekels. And here I can harvest some carrots. Okay, so if I click the item, I can equip it to my hotbar. Rainbow event. Crops may mutate. I will sell some of my precious crops, buy whatever seeds I can afford and keep the farm going. Now planting everything, and I see the night is coming, so let's see if we can steal some crops from other players, like in the original Roblox game. And we should have the night right about now. So let's try to steal whatever we can and let's try to get really rich. Okay, so I'm stealing, clicking on whatever I can, and I will just do it for every farm I can find. Bro, look at all those crops. I'm unstoppable, honestly. Just look at all this stuff. It must be quite a penny, I guess. Maybe like 2,000? What? What? 5,000? 5 millions? Okay. That's quite a lot, actually. Okay, let's try to sell it. Since we are super rich right now, I guess we can afford anything. So let's maybe get those sprinklers. They should increase the growth time. They are quite cheap, so let's just get a couple of them. I will get also this harvest tool. It collects all ready fruits from a plant in one click. Okay, let's see how this magnet works. Okay, so it collects all the crops in one click. I just don't need to click it multiple times. That's useful. Okay. How about the sprinklers? Do they do anything? I guess we will see later on. They should increase the growth speed. My plants are quite mutated, so I picked a lot of them. Let's see how much we can get for them. Whoa, 2 millions out of our plants. That's also amazing. That's really nice. It's quite a lot. I will buy those sprays. Let's see how they work. So now if I click on the plant, I guess they should mutate. And okay, I applied the sprays and I see the mutation happens. So I guess this plant should be now quite expensive. I applied all the mutations on it. Let's buy those seeds. They have defensive status, so maybe they will attack all the other players. And here we have mushroom for 100,000 schmeckles. And also this moon bloom seed. This is also defensive. And let's plant those super new seeds somewhere here where we get the place. Honestly, we should expand this plot. It's too small already. So let's expand the plot. Okay, yeah, that helps a lot. This plot is much bigger now. I guess I have the biggest farm now in this game. And check this out. I got 29 millions this time. So let's buy now a couple of props: bear trap, the fence crate and the teleport crate. Let's see how those work. I'm placing some springs. As you see, they launch me in the air. Let's see what else we have. We have this fence, right? This spiky fence, and also teleport. Oh, I just walked into the teleport. But as you see, this spiked fence, it gets them stuck, I guess. But they are still able to steal my crops. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, that Claude implemented that. That's really amazing. I'm not sure if my defensive plans are really working. I don't see anything happening. So if you want to get this game, check out the description and my Discord. It's free and open source. There is still a lot of things I didn't discover. Fable implemented so many features. I'm really impressed. So hit that subscribe button if you want to keep me going. And I will see you very soon in the next video. See you!